This is Twit.
I have two enterprise picks this week, and the first one is about Azure. This is really interesting. If you're a Microsoft customer, especially a small, mid-sized business customer who buys Azure services currently, your world is about to change in March. Microsoft is going to start selling you Azure directly. You know, this is the company that prides itself on how much it goes through partners. It's been signing up all kinds of cloud solution providers to sell customers Azure services and other services. Well, forget all that. Now Microsoft's going to sell this to you instead. You're going to have a direct billing relationship with Microsoft through this thing called the Microsoft Customer Agreement, the MCA. And on the surface, this sounds pretty good. If you're a customer, it's meant to be a simpler contract. It's only 11 pages. And if you know how Microsoft licensing contracts are, that's small. It's all digital, and there'll be no interruption to any of your services if you're a current customer. It's just a change in the way the billing relationship is happening.
But will all my files be where I left them?
All your files will be right where you left them. All your channel partners will be really angry, though.
Uh-oh.
All those people who've been signing up as cloud solution providers and systems integrators who, you know, a lot of these people are managed service providers, so they'll continue to add value on top of this. But there are some people whose business it is to just sell you Azure and Azure services with very little value add. Uh-oh. Those people are not happy about this because it's like, hey, wait, I had a direct billing relationship with customers, and now that's going away.
Right. Now what do I do?
Right. Now what do I do for a business?
Yeah.
So Microsoft's saying they're not intending to cut out partners, that they're just encouraging them to go further up the stack, which we've heard all along as Microsoft increasingly got into the cloud business, and you're hearing more of this again. I'm sure it'll make for a fun partner conference this year. But if you're a customer, starting in March, watch for notices about this new thing called the Microsoft Customer Agreement. That's Enterprise Pick 1.
Cool.
Enterprise Pick 2, though, you want to hear this one. Has to do with Power Apps and the Power Platform. Guys.
Okay.
Hold on. It's better than you think.
Yeah.
So, talked about Power Apps, Power Platform, but the main thing that applies to is Dynamics 365, which is Microsoft's ERP and CRM platform. So just like Windows, Microsoft's gone to a twice yearly update schedule for Dynamics also. There's going to be an April update and an October update, just like Windows. The April update, as of this week, the release notes for that came out. There were 300 pages of release notes. I read them, so you don't have to. I did a little synopsis on my site of all the different things that are coming, hundreds of new features. I didn't mention all of them, but I gave you kind of a high-level view. Most of them seem incremental to me, although I'm sure if you're a Dynamics customer, there's always favorite features that you'll see that you're like, wait, how did she call that incremental? It's huge. But yeah, they're updating everything, the finance and operations and all the different talent apps they have, and the 2 HoloLens apps that they have, Remote Assist and Layout, are getting updated. Those now come under the Dynamics 365 label. Field Service is getting updated, and of course the Power Platform also getting updated. So you may want to just go and check out my post. I've got a link to the release notes. The dates you need to know is the release notes are out now. The first preview of these, all these different features is coming out in a couple weeks. And then April 5th is when this will be rolling out to the mainstream, starting to roll out, because these are all the new features that you're going to see in Dynamics and the Power Platform between April and September. And then there'll be a whole bunch of other new features in the October update when that comes out. So that's my second tip.
Thank you.